Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. This is actually my first video, so thank you for joining me. I'm just getting started with creating tutorials about different technical stuff, Azure, Power Platform, custom things, high code, low code. And today I want to show you something that I've recently worked with, namely how to work with choice columns in Dataverse using Dataflows. We'll use my SharePoint list called event itinerary, which has a choice field called session type. The interesting part is that Dataverse doesn't store the labels, but numeric values, so I'll show you how to handle that by creating a calculated column. As you can see, I have a number of session types here: mail, keynote, breakout, workshop, and I've already created a Dataverse table with a session type column. It is a choice type, and as we can see, Dataverse does not use labels. It uses values as the background and stores values as the background, and it will expect that. So that's the key challenge when mapping data. So now let's build the data flow. I'll connect to the SharePoint list event itinerary. And load the data into the Power Query. Here you can see that the session type comes in as text, but as already mentioned, Dataverse expects numeric values. To fix this, I will add a calculated column that converts the text into the right numbers. I will call this column session type ID. And then I will provide manually all the values. However, later on, you can also provide the function, the expression automatically if you know it. As you can see, the column was created. And once I have the mapping, I can point that column into the session type choice field in Dataverse. So I will load to an existing table. And then in the column mapping, session code will be mapped to session code, session name. Okay, it can be session name is to name, description, and as you can see, the session type, this is a symbol of a choice field. It already found the correct mapping by name session type ID. Yeah, so it expects the number values. Now I will publish. So now as you can see, everything is published and refreshed. We can check the data in our Dataverse column. And the values were synced correctly: breakout, keynote, workshop, meal. And that's it for today. We connected a SharePoint list with a choice field session type in event itinerary to a Dataverse choice field using Dataflow and a calculated column inside it. Since this is my first video, I'd really appreciate your feedback. Please let me know in the comments if the explanation was clear or if you have suggestions for improvement. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials on Dataverse and the Power Platform and around it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.